Welcome to the bathroom, Dalek. Imagine you're a hard-working man and you've got to go to work, but you need your bathroom clean. Well, that's where this bathroom Dalek comes in. So you press 1 on this robot, you close the bathroom door, you head off to work, and you come back and it is clean in the bathroom. So how it works is after you press 1, a fumigator starts, and 30 minutes into the fumigation, a UVC light turns on. The UVC light will kill the bacteria on the surfaces of the bathroom, and the fumigation will kill the mold in the bathroom. 30 minutes after the light turns off and the fumigation is over, the air purifier turns on. An air purifier runs for an hour and it cleans the air in the bathroom, and the function of the robot is complete. There's 2 other buttons, there's 2 other inputs. There's a button to just turn on an air purifier without the cleaning feature, without the bacteria cleaning feature. And there's a button to turn it off. So we have 2 that turns off. So if I press 1 and in the middle of it running, I can press 2 at any time and it'll kill the robot. Same thing with 3. So let's see how the fumigation process works. Well, the servo motor is going to activate a chemical reaction to start the fumigation process, and 30 minutes after, the UVC light is actually the LED in this circuit. The LED light will turn on for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, the servo motor will go back to its original position, the LED will turn off, and the DC motor connected to the motor driver will run for an hour, as the IR circuit is just for the remote control itself. So let's look at the pins. The servo motor is connected to pin 11, the LED is connected to pin 12, the IR sensor is connected to pin 10, and the motor driver with the DC motor is connected to pin 5 and pin 6. As we look at the code, you can see how everything is included and defined and set up. The phases are going to be in mostly every if statement. That is, so everything when the button 1 is pressed, everything works in proper order. So phase 0 allows for the fumigation to start. Phase 1 allows for the LED light to turn on, 2 for the purifier to turn on, and 3 for the purifier to turn off. So let's look at the if statements. This if statement allows for the remote control to be pressed and for the Arduino to record what is pressed. So we're going to look at the if statement for when 1 is pressed first. So when 1 is pressed, the fumigator turns on and a timer is started and it records the time. And this is essential for all the following if statements for when the remote button 1 is pressed. And it clears the remote, so it allows for the button 2 to be pressed to kill it at any time. So we're going to look at after 1 is pressed, the fumigator starts. Once the time hits 5 seconds, it allows for the next phase to go on. And it does this again, and it does it again, and it repeats. So we have the air purifier written here, and that is defined right here, and we have the turn off that is defined here and is going to be applied in this if statement right here, where if the remote is pressed on button 2, then it will turn off. And for 3, if button 3 is pressed, then the air purifier turns on. So let's see this in action. So when 1 is pressed, 5 seconds, and the LED will turn on. 5 seconds later, the LED and the servo motor should turn off and the DC motor will run. 5 seconds and it will all turn off. Let's see 3. 3 turns on the DC motor, 2 kills it. We'll see how it kills 1 as well. When the light turns on, we will press 2 and it will kill it. And that is how the bathroom Dalek circuit and code works. Thank you.